Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the multiplication and division of two integers. Okay. In last class we have discussed about addition of and subtraction of two integers. कैसे हम दो integers को how we can add two integers and how we can subtract two integers. Now here today we will discuss about the multiplication of two integers and division of two integers. Clear? Okay. So some rules here given. For multiplication, if two integers are same sign, both are positive, then their result is also positive. Then their result is also positive. अगर दो इंटीजर सेम साइन के हैं तो उनका रिजल्ट भी क्या होगा, वो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव आएगा. if two integers again both are negative, means both are same sign, again their result will be positive. But if two integers are different sign, one positive, one negative, then their result will become negative. Okay. अगर दो इंटीजर सेम साइन के हैं, their answer will be or result will be always positive. Either both are positive sign, both are negative sign. But if two integers are different sign, one is negative, one is positive, either one is positive, one is negative, then their result will be negative, always negative. Clear? Okay. So on the basis of this sign product rule, we will solve the problem. Means examples here. Suppose here we want to multiply 15 plus into plus 3. Example. 15 plus into plus 3. So plus positive. 15 3s are what is 45. Clear? So answer is positive 45. Clear? If both are negative, 15 into minus 4. So first we will find their absolute value. Minus 15 into minus 3. Absolute value of this 15 into 4 60. Always positive. Clear? Okay. If one positive, one negative, one positive and one negative, suppose here 12 positive into minus 4. So their result, if two integers are different sign, then their results will be always negative. So first here I will write negative sign, then in bracket 12 positive into magnitude of minus 4, then 12 into 4 magnitude of plus. Okay, minus 4 becomes positive, plus 4, 12 4s are 48. Clear? So if two integers are different sign, their product will be always negative. Okay. Some properties given in your book based on multiplication. First is properties. Commutative rule, commutative property, or you can say that commutative law. A guy gives law for any two integers for any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. This is commutative property, okay, of multiplication of integers. For example, 6 positive 6 into here positive 5, here positive 5 into positive 6. Okay, so multiplication of two positive integers is always positive. So 6 into 5, 5 into 6, 30. Clear? Okay. For any two different integers, suppose here minus 9 into here 5, then 5 into minus 9. Okay, clear? So again, if two integers of different sign, one positive, one negative, then their product will be always negative. So here you write negative sign, magnitude of minus 9 into 5 into magnitude of minus 9. So here 9 into 5, here minus 5 into 9 here, so it becomes minus 45 minus. Clear? This is what? Commutative rule. Clear? Next one, associative. Next one, associative property. Associative property. Next one, associative property. Associative property. Okay. So for any three integers, A, B and C, we have according to this rule, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Means first we will multiply A into B, then we will multiply C. Either first we will multiply B into C, then we multiply A. Clear? पहले हम A और B को multiply करेंगे, then C. उसके प्रोडक्ट में C से either पहले हम B और C को multiply करेंगे, फिर उसके प्रोडक्ट में A से multiply करेंगे. Both result will be same. Clear? Okay. Both result will be same. For example, suppose here I will take one example, 5 positive 5 into positive 6 into plus 2. Here positive 5 into positive 6 positive 2. Okay, positive 2. We write this both in separate comma. Clear? Okay. So see here, 5 into 6 into 2. Here 5 into 6 into 2. 5 6 are 30 into 2. Here 5 6 to the 6 to the 12 into 5. 30 to the 60. 5 12 is 12 5 is 60. Clear? So again, the multiplication of integers follow the associative law. If all three are different sign, if all three are same sign, then their product will be always positive. If all three integers are different sign, so their product will be always negative. Clear? Okay. Now next one. Next, what? Property of zero. Property of zero. Zero property. What is this? Zero property. If any integers multiply by zero, it always becomes zero. If any integers multiply by zero, for any integer a, we have, if it multiply by zero, either zero is multiplied by any integer, then it results or its product always becomes zero. Always becomes zero. Maybe it positive, either negative. For example, minus 12 into 0 or 0 into minus 12. So see here, minus 12, magnitude of 12, minus 12 into 0, 0 into magnitude of minus 12, modulus, absolute value, 12 into 0, 0 into 12 is equal to 0. Clear? Means multiplication of any integers with 0, either 0, multiplication of 0 with any integers, either positive or negative, is always becomes 0. Clear? The product always becomes 0. Okay? मतलब किसी भी इंटीजर्स का हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करें या 0 में किसी भी इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करें, the product always becomes 0. Clear? Okay? Next property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. What is this property? Multiplicative identity. Okay? A kind of this property or rule, if we multiply any integers with 1, it gives the same integer value. It gives the same integer value. मतलब अगर हम किसी इंटीजर्स को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या 1 में किसी इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, so we will get same integer value. For example, for any integers a multiplied by 1, either 1 multiplied by a is equal to a. Is equal to a. For example, see, minus 13 multiplied by 1, either 1 multiplied by minus 13. So this, we know that the product of two integers different sign is always negative. So here we can write its magnitude minus of 13 into 1, here 1 into modulus or absolute value of minus 13. So here what? 30 into 1, 1 into 13 minus 13 minus 13. Always negative. But if two integers, if here integers is positive, then product always positive. Clear? Okay. So this one is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Clear? Okay. This one is called multiplicative identity. Now last property, distributive property of multiplication. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Distributive property. What is this property? Distribute करना. So जो multiplication sign है वो always distribute on addition. Addition sign पे distribute होता है. कैसे? For example, for any three integers a, b and c. for any three integers a, b and c. We have a into in bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. a into b plus a into c. अब देखिए कैसे फॉलो करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, with example we can easily understand this point. Okay, so see example here 3 into 4 plus 5. So here 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5. Now we will just find out the answer. 3 into, using BODMAS rule, first we will solve the bracket portion, then other. So 4 plus 5 9. Here 3 into 4 12. 3 into 5 15. Now here 9 3 is 27. Here 2 plus 5 7 and 1 1. Both are same now. So hence we can say that finally the multiple sign is always distributive over addition sign. Okay, it follow the distributive law. Here you can take more examples with some other integers, negative or positive. Again it will follow the distributive law. Clear? Okay. Now for the division of integers. Okay, here some examples, questions given. You will try to solve first question, first D. First question, first D. Division of integers. Division of integers. Now we discuss about the division. Again, division. So if we divide two same sign integer, then it always becomes positive. Its result always becomes positive. If we divide two same sign integers, its results always becomes positive. If we divide two different sign integers, its results always negative. Its results always negative. If we divide two same sign integers, its results always positive. Its results always becomes positive. If we divide two different sign integers, its results becomes always negative. अगर हम दो सेम साइन इंटीजर्स को डिवाइड करते हैं, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगा. अगर हम दो डिफरेंट साइन के इंटीजर को डिवाइड करते हैं, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? ऑलवेज नेगेटिव होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज यू डिवाइड 12 plus 12 divided by plus 3. So it means 12 divided by 3. So what answer will be? Here 4 plus 4. But if we divide minus 15 divided by plus 3. So first we will find, here remove that, write this rule, positive division by negative. This always negative. So here we put first negative sign, then we will solve this one. Absolute value of 15 divided by absolute value of 3. So here it will become 15 divided by 3. Now this 3 5s are 15. Here, so it always becomes negative. Okay, this becomes negative. ये क्या आएगा? Negative. If we divide two different type of integers, the result becomes always negative. Okay, clear? So in this way you will solve the exercise problem first D. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about the exercise problem first D. Okay, you have any doubt you can ask. So either I will solve any expression containing more sign, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You will follow the one rule that is called BODMAS rule. What? BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. पहले हम ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर ऑफ पोर्शन को सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर डिवीजन को सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे, एडिशन को, देन लास्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्लियर? ओके, सो So using this rule, these rules you will solve the exercise first D. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the exercise first D. Okay. So students, try to solve the questions of exercise first D. If you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow. Clear? Thank you, students.